Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Shop Miss haul. So this is pretty big. I have a lot of new makeup here. We have a couple of repurchases, which I am going to tackle in the beginning of this video. We're just going to talk about them quickly because they're products I've talked about on my channel for a long time. And then all the rest of the products are new. So I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting a while for this package. But in the meantime, when you're waiting for my next Shop Miss haul, I do have a lot of TEMU orders coming to me. We have a lot of Dollar Tree videos. I just filmed a She Glam haul as well from their Frida Kahlo collection and stuff, which we will be using soon on the face. But really exciting stuff. So if you want to see what I picked up from Shop Miss, just keep on watching. So the first repurchase that I have is the AOA Studio Hair Tamer Finishing Wand. Went ahead and purchased this again because I am running out of my other one. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe I ran out already. But this is the one in, the fresh shampoo scent. I don't think they had this the first time around, so I went ahead and picked this up. Basically keeps your flyaways from being a little too wild. It tames your flyaways, like I said, all day hold. It's non-flaky. I really like this, as well as just this one here from Be Pure. This one's also so good. I'm like almost through this as well. Basically, if you have a bunch of little baby hairs, this will tame them and it's just really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging now. There's a look at that product. I've shown it a couple times on my channel. I've picked up like 2 of these. And again, the fresh shampoo scent. I don't really notice a huge difference with their scent. Actually does smell like shampoo. That smells so good. Wow. Okay, there's a look at the wand. And let's see if I can demonstrate. Especially here, like in my bang area, it just kind of like tames it. Any like little baby hairs is so good to like throw in your purse and go. It's just so good. Love this. So happy to have it again. The only thing is sometimes your hair does get stuck to the wand, but it's so good. Definitely recommend if you've been looking for that type of product. I have a couple of different scents on their site. This is basically a repurchase. It's just in a different size. So this is the green tea plus vitamin E cleansing balm from AOA Studio Skin. So it looks like so. This is just the big size. I've actually gotten their like normal size. This is the big one. So let's take a look at that. The big one. Yes, I really love this to remove my makeup. It is a cleansing balm. Basically, you take a little bit, make sure your face is a little wet at least before you go in with this. Kind of just melts away your makeup. Really good, really easy to use. Can't wait to start using this. And again, this is a big tub. Let's talk about this product first. They came out with a couple of brow gels. So this is their Easy Brow Gel. This one here is in clear. It is from the AOA Studio line. I did go ahead and open this. They did have a brow gel sometime, oh gosh, was that 2 years ago now? Feels like just yesterday, but looks like so. There's a look at the little spoolie that it comes with, and it looks really interesting, so I can't wait to try this out. Again, I haven't tried any of this, so we'll see how that works. We also have this product, which is their AOA Studio The Cellar Jelly Lip Gloss. So I've actually owned these types of products before in liquid lipstick form, and they're really cute. I didn't expect AOA Studio to come out with one, but I thought, why not pick one up? This one here is in the shade Vintage. It's really cute. Look at this. Oh, such a stunning color as well. Let's swatch it. Ooh, that color is beautiful. Again, in the shade Vintage. Stunning. We have this product. They came out with a couple of other colors, but this one called out to me. It's just so cute. This is the Peach. I think this is the lip gloss, right? Lulu's what? Could barely see that. Lulu's Luxy Lips. This is just a lip gloss. Look at how stunning that packaging is. Look at the back. So cute. And you can see all the glitters in there. And again, this is a lip gloss. This one here is in Malibu Peach. So cute. I'm not gonna swatch it because I think it's gonna be clear, right? Oh, why not? Let's give it a little baby swatch. Oh wow, never mind. Look at all those little glitters that come out with it. So cute. There's like a slight smell to it, nothing crazy. We have their liquid liner. So I saw this on the website and I was like hesitant because I've seen so many other liners that look like this. It's like they just kind of slapped their name on it. TEMU has some liners that look like this, but you know what? I like the AOA Studio liner formula. I love the Artista liners and they're really good. I use them all the time. So I thought, why not? Let's try this one out. The packaging is really interesting. It's like a rainbow kind of vibe. So cool, right? And in the center you do get the AOA Studio with the gold decoration. I don't know. And this one here is just in black. This did retail for $188. There's a look at the liner. It's so pointy. I love it. And it's not too like condensed. It's like pretty long. So I'm loving that. Ooh. There's a look at the liner. Really black. We'll have to see how this works on the actual eyes, if it bleeds or not, if it stays, the longevity, whatever. We need to try it out and see what we think, but really intriguing, really black, really promising. Let's talk about these situations. These are some lip liners from the website. They added a couple of different shades. They finally came out with some brown shades. Okay, they have lip liners, but they're very light. You barely see them on my skin tone. So I'm so excited to swatch these. And I did pick up 2 different shades. We have the shade Pony and we also have the shade Lasso. Let's give these a swatch. So they're just gel lip liners. There's a look at those. They're actually pretty close to each other. Yeah, they're like basically the same shade. Let me know your thoughts, but there's like a slight difference. But I love me a good brown liner, so if they come from Chamase, I'm with it. So can't wait to try it on the lips and see my thoughts if they change the formula. Really love that they added some brown shades finally. But yeah, so exciting. I have a couple of new eyelashes. These are part of their Deluxe Curl AOA Studio lashes. These retail for $177 and they're part of their Her collection. It says that parts of the proceeds supports women's promising future. Really exciting. So we do have 2 different styles here. The first one here is in Lucille. Thought these looked really interesting. These are definitely more wearable, I believe, from what I remember. These are definitely more dramatic in the style Josephine. Stunning. Can't wait to try these out. Let me give you guys a close-up look at both of them. This one here is in Josephine and this one is Lucille. Let's get into the exciting products. We have a face primer. So this is the AOA Studio Pore Filling Primer. Basically it looks like a silicone kind of moment, but we're definitely gonna have to see how this works on the face. So excited, can't wait to try this out. They also came out with a couple of CC creams. So exciting as well. AOA Studio CC Cream Color Correcting Cream. I picked up 2 different shades here. We have, let me see, where are the shades? Medium and light medium. So I just kind of wanted to compare those and see. We're going to test them out on the face, so I'm not going to swatch them right now. It's going to be pretty messy, but I do want to see how the dispenser looks. Ooh, okay, looks like so. So excited about all these face products. I definitely need to get back to filming more Chamase full faces. The next product was this. This is definitely giving me e.l.f. vibes. You guys know they came out with a couple of those little palettes, and this definitely called out to me. I went ahead and picked the more like rosy ones. This is the Pop Pop Plus Contour Situation. This is their Hello Define Duo Blush and Contour in Aloha. So look at the 2 shades. Let me give them a swatch. Ooh, the bronzer looks a little light, to be honest. Yeah, they look very light. I'm kind of scared, but we'll see how it works on the face. I think the other color was darker from what I remember. I don't know. We'll see how this works on my face. Another product that was kind of similar to that was the Blush and Highlighter Duo. This is their Hello Glow Duo in Any Young. This one looks rather promising as well. The colors look really pretty. There's a look at that. Let's swatch them. So nice. And lastly for this haul, I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. So what are these called? Tropical Sierra Press Pigments. This one here is in Glimmering Palms. This is a pretty chunky packaging, but look at how stunning that looks. Let's open it. This one is in Glimmering Palms, and this one also from the Tropical Sierra's Press Pigment Situation. This one's in Sultry Moonlight. Look at how beautiful that looks. Let me put them side by side. One of them is like a little flower moment. So cool. So I don't know how to use these, but I'll definitely have to see. I think these are like highlights slash blushes in here. I'm not going to swatch them. I don't want to mess up the imprints, but they're so beautiful. And those are the last two products for my Shop Miss A haul. Let me know your favorites down below. Everything is in the description box below. I have all the links to everything that I spoke about down there as well. So of course, give this video a like if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.